What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video. Man, we have won something else at Copart today, dog. Stay tuned and I'll show you guys exactly what we won, man. But further ado, Camaro's gone. Hella windy out here. Like, you probably can't even hear me now, but it's as windy as it's ever been. So I'm gonna catch you guys on the flip side. My dog Fast Life Russ is out here, man. Me and him had the same Camaro. Unfortunate events happened. He ran off the side of a freeway and just got a ZL1, man. So I'm gonna go check that out. Maybe we can see what's up with him, and then I'll show you guys what we got, man, because I'm looking super rough right now. And yeah, we got the red guts. Woo! And just like that, you boys iced up again. Hold up, y'all gotta see it with the sun. Yes, sir, iced up again, man. The vet is like looking oh so dirty. Like I said, it's so windy out here, but it's a good day, man. We got a new build, not even a new build, pretty much a flip. And this one, I told myself I wasn't gonna buy nothing else like this unless it was a flip. So if you guys heard me and caught that on the previous videos, you probably already know what it is. What's up, guys? We are back here, man. Next day, dog. We got the vet right here. This thing is freaking filthy, dog. It's like been super windy out here the last couple days. Like, you can literally just see the dust caked up on this thing. I don't know if you can or not, but this thing is super dirty, super dusty. We gotta go get it cleaned up. My dog Russ is out here, Fast Life Russ on YouTube. Go follow him now. We about to go hang out, go get the cars washed and stuff, and go check out the auction. You guys know it hasn't really been a public auction in like days and stuff, so we gonna check that out and see what we can get done. So let's see what we can do, man. Come roll with your boy. Just pulled up. The homie already here. Ooh, look at this thing. Look at the way they slide, dude. Though, you see the lights on that joint, big ZL1s and all that. Okay, I can dig it. Then when we out here, got the vets, got the ZL1 top of the line. Let's get these things cleaned up, yeah. Yo, what's up, yeah? Yes, yeah, what's good? Nice to meet you. Nah, we finally got this nigga. Hey, man, you know how it go, man. Hey, man, likewise, man. I'm digging the whip, man. I'm digging the whip. Nah, you got it, man. So we was supposed to link up with the last Camaro videos and stuff, but you know, hey, you know, little do you know, you inspired me to get the 19, because the very first time I seen you getting cracking in the mountains up there when we was out there, we was up there getting cracking. I'm like, ooh, that joint clean. So you know, I went and got mine, but damn, this is it, dog. I like this one.
I literally just saw your video last night where you sold the CarMax.
Yeah.
I saw the bro. I'm telling you, I watch your guys.
Hey, that's crazy. Yeah, this is the joint though, man. Fuck all that. This is the joint. Hey, so do it feel way faster than like the whole? Yeah. Man. Yeah, I was trying to kill some time and shit. I had went to go vacuum it out and stuff already, but nah, we good though. Yeah, it's a little different. I mean, it's cool, but you know, we still got a long way to go. It's only the base, man. Hey, I know they about to be like, man, why he didn't get the GL? Hey, man, it's the base. I know it is. You know, you got to start somewhere, man.
Everybody has an opinion, but don't have the car.
Hey, man, that too. That too, man. So we gonna set up these cameras, man, get these whips washed, man. You see what's going on. Alrighty, guys, we got the cars pretty much washed up. Got the black beast back here. Golly. Now I know most of y'all gonna be like, dude, he freaking ruined it again. He freaking washed the car with the brush. It looked pretty shined up to me. I don't really see too many scratches. Maybe let's get a better view. Yeah. I don't really see too many scratches. Still looks pretty shiny to me. I don't know. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? This thing cleaned up nice. I love when this thing is clean. It was just freaking dusty as heck. But we signed up. We got them pipes looking right. You know, the homie iced up. Feel me? Coming through that desert, man. That thing clean now.
I got rock too.
Yeah, now that thing shine up for sure. I can dig it. I can dig it, man. What y'all think about the ZL1, man? Let me know right now in the comments below. This thing kind of shine up. It make me low-key miss the Camaro, man. Low-key, man. Make me low-key just miss it. Just a little bit. Man, y'all just gotta look how good she look, dog. Ooh, I love looking at her. She looks so bad. Dang. That thing look crazy. I swear that tint on it just do so much justice. That thing is wild. You see all the curves and stuff. I swear I love when this thing is clean, dog. Ooh. Yeah, that thing nice, dog. I swear together they look pretty good. They look good together. You got the little red, y'all check out this Alcantara. This Recaro seats, red seatbelt. See, that look way better. I actually like this better than the red seats. Like that red seatbelt just stand out more than like the red seat to me. Honestly, I feel it. I can dig it. But together they look really good though, man. I need some splitter action. I need some side skirt action on mine, but you know, we'll get there, man. So we'll probably go dip through the mountains or something real quick on a quick drive and go from there though. That nigga shit hot. Niggas out here. We out here sliding, y'all. I know y'all ain't seen this this dash before. Got my dog back there. Y'all can't probably even see. Yeah, so we basically out here taking up the road, man, trying to get some fly pics. You know, the ZL1 Camaro. Hopefully no old people come and bully us off the road like last time, but you know, it's cool. Let me get some quick pics for y'all real quick and we'll move on to the next location. Alrighty guys, we out here in the middle of the desert with my dog Fast Life Russ, man, and we got some good news. The bike I haven't even told y'all what we got, but I guess the cat's out the bag now, man. The bike that we got is pretty much getting picked up today. We should have it within the next couple of days, so that should be fun. That should be some new dope content coming in. Hopefully everything is like ready to go on that thing and it doesn't look as bad as it is. I mean, it looks really great, but I'm just saying it. Hopefully nothing is bad on it, but you know, it is what it is. I'm out here with my dog. He in that ZL1. I'm in that vet, man. Life is good, man. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. Don't ever let nobody tell you can't do nothing, because man, I seen it, man. You can do whatever you put your mind to. All you got to do is believe it. It's already yours. Just believe it and you're gonna get it, man. So stay tuned. Let's go hit the auction and stuff, man. Like I said, y'all, we out here taking up roads and all that. These things look wet though. Ooh, man, I could dig that. It's a wonderful day, man. Blue skies, the top is off. Got the homie behind me. It's a good day. I'm digging it. The only thing I can think of is the wheel alignment on this Corvette is like terrible. So I actually got a new steering wheel with the square bottom, because I wanted to upgrade it anyway. So just waiting for that to come in the mail. But we out sliding right now, me and my dog, man. Ooh, hey man, that was the first time I did that. I'm like, okay, I still got it. Hey, I'm mad they didn't get it on the camera, man. Hey, it's all good. Don't worry about it. So, you are looking at what we just won, dog. We won a 2009 Harley Davidson. This one actually is not a street glide, an electric glide. This thing is really clean though. Like normally I wouldn't go for the electric glide, but this one is it's pretty cool. Like if you want to follow along with me, I guess you guys can type it in on your phones to get a closer look, a HD look, but you guys can just see here on video. It does look really good. I don't see any dents or dings or anything like that. It says it does run and drive. It does have the tour pack back there, and it has a custom seat from what it looks like. It does have a little scratch on the fairing there in the corner. No big deal. Looks pretty stock. Other than that, the bike has 78,000 miles. It's being sold by Progressive Insurance, so that's always a plus. It says the primary damage is the side. I see the side damage here on the fairing there. Other than that, I don't really see any other damage. We can scroll through the other pics here and see. Like, I see no damage here. Nothing like that. So that's a plus there. I still see no damage. It's actually already been picked up, and the shipper said that he doesn't see anything like wrong with the bike either. Like the only thing is that it doesn't come with a key. Keys exempt. Like that's a first. I've never seen that before, and I really didn't pay attention to it when I bought it, but we'll get it started without the key. I'm not too big. I'm not too worried about that. I think I already figured it out. But from this view, I don't see any damage as well. So that's a plus. Now I actually was gonna bid on something else, but this one was like, the other one was a clean title, but it had way more damage than this. This bike is a really good looking bike. It is the 2009, so it does have the big back wheel in the back. Like I said, no damage on the sides or nothing like that, so I don't know what damage they were referring to, unless they were just talking about that upper fairing, which is understandable. I mean, Harley parts cost a grip, so who knows. But all in all, it seems pretty fair. You guys can see right here in the HD photo, I'm still seeing no damage. I would say the handlebar is not even off a little bit. I would say it looked a little bit off, but nah, it looks good. I'm just trying to find some damage here, man. Like literally, the only thing I can think of right now is that it just doesn't come with a key. Has the tour pack right there. Both saddlebags look really good, in good condition. Really good looking bike, like electric glide classic. Okay. Really good looking bike. It's got the 96 cubic inch. Let's get that HD photo for y'all. It's got the 96 cubic inch motor on it. Looks really good. 6-speed, of course. Pretty decent looking bike. I don't see anything that really looks out of the ordinary to me. Everything looks pretty good there. 78,000 miles on the clock. Not bad. Now this bike is pretty much strictly like a flip. Like I know I have the CVO Street Glide, and this is like pretty much the twin to that bike. Not the twin, but like they look the same. But this is more so gonna be for a flip because I want to hang on to my CVO for a while. But that's what it is, man. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below, man. I still got the 23-inch wheel for the CVO coming. So I'm going to put that 19 wheel that's on there now on this one, and probably trying to find a back wheel to that. That'll up the value because, man, we got this thing for cheap. Really, really cheap. And then this one comes with the tour pack and everything, so we can literally change these lights out, these orange lights out, get a different fender, get a wraparound. If we can find a wraparound for that 19, I don't know, they might make them. If not, we may be able to find a cheap set of 21s or something. Who knows? But we can put a little bit of money into this bike and make a nice chunk back. So it's all a possibility. I can't wait till it gets here, and we'll see what happens, man. So alrighty, guys, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. If you haven't already, please go visit everythingsregular.com. Go cop your merch today. I appreciate you guys who have supported already. You guys should have something special extra in the mail, so just stay tuned and look out for that. But we had a cool little time today. We hung out with my dog Rush. You guys seen the Harley. We about to get ready to go to the auction, man, and hang out for a sec before we go cruise with the homie, with Just Ran and the rest of the homies tonight in the I-8, man. So let's get it going. We'll probably get this thing wiped down again tonight. This black is like hard to stay clean, but it is what it is, man. So I appreciate you guys tuning in. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. All right, peace.